I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh. Okay. Oof. Ah. Hey. Now see, I saw a little bird over there. I've seen birds yesterday running around too, and I saw one on the window the other day, but they're weird because they don't run away or nothing. The other one was a full-grown bird too that I saw in that window, and it was just kind of chilling. These birds are weird, but I don't know why. This one looks scary. He's trying to hide. I ain't gonna hurt you. I'm not one of those crazy redneck white boys. I'm just crazy, but not a redneck. Hey! Hey! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, birdie. Don't need to be scared. Well, I hope they'll be okay. I don't know. I can't do anything for them.